first come in, this is the laundry room. So let me put the camera down so I can show you how to open the door. And it comes with washer and dryer. I actually really love these washers and dryers. Yeah, I love that this is see-through. Turn the light on. And it's nice little washer. And it's brand new. I broke it in. But a lot of like laundry room space. So I had my like things hooked up right here. Let me take this off. Oh, I can't take it off. So guess what? We're gonna leave it. Fuck it. We go in. This is the kitchen. So I'm kind of mad that I did not do anything with this, like for the wine or anything. Like I didn't decorate it. I kind of, after a while, just said, forget this place. Like I'm over it. Let's on to the next. Hold on. Really dark in the kitchen. That is the one thing that I did not like about it. But other than this is my first place. It was beautiful. When I say I love this place. So it had like the one sink. The deep sink, which I liked. It was very deep. And then the cabinets. I would say it's a decent amount of cabinet space for my first apartment. And I had my pots and pans down there. So it came with, what is this called? Dishwasher. So every appliance is in here was Frigidaire, which was cool. I liked Frigidaire. This is a stainless steel. Oh, baby. I'm going to have stainless steel, and it came with ice. And so you just pull that up and press the button. Then this was the refrigerator. It's so funny how we say refrigerator. And this was a stove. Now, I must say, I don't like having an electric stove because the moment that you scratch, look at all those scratches. But look at this, like it's so clean in certain areas. So I made sure in my second place that I had like gas because I don't have time to be messing up nothing. You know what I mean? And it's not mine. I don't own it. So this was the kitchen. So, and this was the living room. So, every door in the apartment had gray. See, it's so dark in here. That was the one thing that was kind of like depressing to me. So I made sure my next place, like my kitchen has to look light. So, you know, I had to really open this up. And even then it's still kind of dark. But it was a decent amount of space. Like I'll put you guys down, hold on. So this was like a door that we couldn't get in, which I was annoyed with. Hold on, let me lock the door. Somebody's trying to come up with me. So it was double locks, which is cool. However, this, if you lock this on the outside, you cannot get in your apartment. So it came with this for the alarm system. And baby, management didn't know how to fix it. Like, thing been not working for a minute. I don't know how to fix it. Nobody know how to fix it. Like, whatever. So as you come in here, this was like a little closet that I use for like my business stuff. I put in here or whatever. And then as you go in, this is the bedroom, which honestly, this was a decent amount of size bedroom. Like really big. I must say, because I had a lot of space that I could have filled with it. Again, very dark. That was the only thing. Well, when I woke up, it was kind of light. That was cool. I have this freaking mount on the wall that I can't get off, and I'm mad because I have to leave it. I don't like buying new stuff. I'm cheap. anyway, so you go in here. I love, this was one thing I have to have, and I made sure I had in my next apartment. This is the door for, because it's 1 bedroom bath. This is the door for when the guests want to come and use the bathroom. I can close this door. Excuse you. I can close this door, which I really liked. So close this door. And I honestly used to always close both of these doors. Close this door. Ooh. This was the linen closet. And this is, now I love this bathroom. It has such amazing light in here. This is where I used to do all my little makeup tutorials. Baby, in this bathroom, you know, the bathroom you having the best lighting, okay? So, one thing I don't want in my next apartment is these. I don't really like the color or whatever. Like I said, this was the best first apartment that I could ever think of. But it's this beautiful big mirror in here. Beautiful big mirror that I love. And I love how it's a light over the bath. And when I said this tub is huge, this was a garden tub that I really liked. Did I take baths in it? No, I probably only took like 3 baths after me living here for 2 years. But I love that this was right here and here. So it was cute. It was very cute. And then this was just like the drawers and everything. You just pull them out. So it's not gonna be the cleanest because they have to do all their due diligence and stuff. That was my hair drawer, so don't talk about me. But this was the toilet and everything. I had to honestly get used for this toilet to being so low, but that's fine. When I say this, the closet, hold on, let me show y'all. Closet was huge. Big closet, like it was so big. And as you can see, I'm still going. Like, it was so big. And I love that this was right here. I had my purses set up right here, which was really cute. Did I decorate this closet how I really wanted to? No, but I enjoyed it being this big. And I'm glad that in my next apartment, like the closet is big as well. So, but yeah, so this is my apartment. It has really nice amenities. Let me push y'all down. Don't mind my appearance, but let me just kind of vent to y'all. I know this is an apartment tour, but when I say I went through a lot of things in this apartment, like mentally, I was always with myself. So I had to like really go through a lot of things, like to grow up type thing. And I'm so excited about it. I'm so thankful that God has allowed me to be able to have experienced my first luxury apartment and my second one at that, you know, being able to experience my second luxury apartment. Words are powerful. When I say words are powerful, it really is, because what you say or speak into existence, since I was 16, I always said, my first apartment gonna be luxury. My first apartment gonna be luxury. Mark my words. And sure enough, it happened. I kept speaking into existence because I knew that it was going to happen for me. I didn't know when, how, what, or whatever the case may be, but I'm so glad that I was able to enjoy this space. You know, it was some trials and tribulations as life comes to life, but when I say, for the most part, I'm glad that I experienced living in Atlanta or Georgia, whatever. I'm glad that I experienced living outside of my state. Don't know how I look, y'all. I'm glad I've experienced living outside of my state, because you should at least move outside of your hometown at least once, you know, even if you come back or whatever. So that wraps up I'm seeing so dark, but that wraps up my apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This place will be in the comments below. I will tell you guys where I live, because for one, I'm not gonna do an apartment tour of where I live currently. So I'm still debating on if I want to do one where my next place is. I don't know about that, but of course you guys will see it like in the background and stuff like that. Just because it's been crazy. You know, I had a lot of things happen in this apartment. Somebody tried to break my apartment, stole stuff out of here. So I wanted to make sure, like, and I'm by myself. I wanted to make sure, like, nobody was going to be able to do anything to me, right? But I'm going to get some B-roll of this place. And I'll see y'all in the next part. Bye.